this is Vinita Kumar, and you're watching me on India.com. Today I have with me a couple who looks dreamy, like dreamy from the word go. A man who literally danced his way into the heart of the girl, and the girl who just kept singing, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. So I have with me superbly talented couple Puneet J. Pathak and Nidhi Mooney Singh with their super special love story. Puneet and Nidhi, welcome on India.com.
Hi, thank you.
Wedding hangover still continues or what? Over. Wedding hangover over.
No, I think it's on and it's going to be on till our first anniversary
And then the
and for life.
yes.
Oh my god, look at you two, man. So you two look, you just look head over heels in love with each other, like everything about you is actually dreamy, as I said. So what is the best thing about getting married, being married together?
Like, we can be like this all the time whenever we are at home.
Yeah. Okay, so how did it all start? Yeah. I mean, I've seen all the videos, of course, but what actually, like, how did it all happen? You just go way back.
I work on reality shows. She works on reality shows. I'm a choreographer, stage director. She's into the creatives. For people who don't understand what creatives are, uh, जो भी हम लोग बोलते हैं या जो भी हम लोग करते हैं, उसका पूरा जो डिजाइन होता है, एक एक्ट के अंदर क्या क्या करना है वो एक कोरियोग्राफर का डिजाइन करने का है, पर पूरे शो में क्या क्या होगा वो पूरा डिजाइन ये क्रिएटिव्स लोग करते हैं. इट्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल and she has been part of that since quite some time. And the first time we met was on Jhalak Dikla Ja, where she had just joined into this industry and I was a choreographer. I had already done 2-3 seasons of Jhalak Dikla Ja, so I was like into it. And she knew of me because of DID and Jhalak Mein Ek Hai.
I liked you.
Yeah.
I knew of you.
She liked me. She had a small crush on me when I was a contestant in DID.
What is
And then
small crush?
Like, your favorite contestant, you vote for your favorite contestant. So I used to vote for him.
Wow.
And then ABCD came and Chandu was mind blowing.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so what she saw me on camera and then when she saw me in person, वो crush थोड़ा fade out हो गया.
Okay.
One of the major reasons is what happened was they were having a meeting, a creative meeting in a room, and I had to go to the loo, so I excused myself and took permission कि क्या मैं toilet use कर सकता हूँ. So I went to the loo and when I came back, they were having a conversation. So the senior or her senior said, "अरे पुनीत इसमें ना ऐसा ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या बोलना?" And I like to get involved and I give creative ideas. So I gave 3-4 ideas. One of later we come to know, उसमें से एक idea she had thought about it for quite some few days कि वो pitch करेगी अपनी senior को. And she had just joined the creative industry, so she wanted to impress her senior. And उधर पुनीत ने same चीज बोली. तो मेरा और निधि का दिमाग उधर ऐसा चौकड़ी हो गई और उधर हो गया cut, this guy is out. जो भी crush वश था छोड़ो, इसने मेरा idea same बोल दिया कैसे. But on the hindsight, we say from that time itself, when we didn't know each other, we were on the same path. We thought the same way.
Yeah, look at the telepathy. Yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah.
तो वो तो नफरत से थोड़ा start हुआ, फिर हम लोग दोस्त बने. She's always been a bro. तो hey bro, what's up? वैसा वाला चल रहा था. ये शो खत्म हो गया. फिर वो दूसरे शो में गई, मैं दूसरे शो में गया. कोई ना कोई शो में मैं involved होता था choreography में, so I used to get come here and there. My manager Tanmay was very close. They are so close that उसका वो मुंह वाला भाई है. तो indirectly somehow she used to keep coming to my vanity van or my sets or in general to meet. So hi hello होता था, दोस्ती यारी होती थी. Then a show called DHH happened.
Yeah.
Just as friends, and I got to know her. She got to know me. Where we started messaging each other, and talking in general. So it was just dosti. And understanding, and I understood कि ये एक इंसान है जो creative है इससे, and she used to give honest feedback, and I like honesty. तो उधर से I started talking to her on a serious note कि ऐसे कोई है नहीं set पे someone whom I can talk with. So उधर से हुआ, then दोस्ती और होती गई, and then खतरों के खिलाड़ी happened.
Yeah.
खतरों के खिलाड़ी में what happened was I was 42 days I was in Argentina. 45 days.
Yeah.
In Argentina.
You know what?
And
I actually wanted to warn you about this thing. You have to be like absolutely correct about dates and days because वहाँ है निधि. So before you just yeah, like just be absolutely right.
hectic with dates and numbers. She
Okay.
knows that.
Yeah.
Like होता है ना ठीक है ना so that nod is important. So
Right.
कभी
45
खिलाड़ी
days.
happened. हाँ, and उसके बाद during those 45 days I realized because what happened was we were still friends but I felt like messaging her कि आज है ना ये हुआ आज ये हुआ आज ये हुआ आज ये हुआ and Argentina में हूँ abroad में हूँ there are so many foreigner girls so many friends so many crew so many in general there's so much of life outside but I used to run to my small hotel room sit there and wait कि कब मुझे रिप्लाई मिलेगा मैसेज का क्योंकि टाइम डिफरेंस था
Yeah.
तो ये भी रात भर रहती थी मैं भी सुबह उठता था और मेरा उठने का प्रॉब्लम है आई कैन नॉट गेट अप ऑन
Alone.
टाइम
Yeah. Okay.
हाँ तो she used to call sometimes put an alarm or whatever it is so धीरे धीरे वो टिपिकल दोस्ती से थोड़ा बढ़कर पर प्यार से थोड़ा कम वो जो फेज था ना
हाँ
वो
Oh.
फेज था कोई वाला फेज ऊपर से हम लोग दो अलग अलग कंट्रीज में but I understood ki for sure ki I don't know how she feels but I like her and I think she's important to me so important
Right.
कि मेरे दिन में क्या हुआ मुझे उसको बोलने की मुझे जरूरत पड़ गई
Right.
तो जरूरत जब पड़ती है तो importance मतलब you feel it that person or that emotion is true and important फिर
Right.
बॉम्बे आए मैंने बोला कि एक जू में एक रेस्टोरेंट में गए I said listen I like you and we should start dating
Hmm.
so she started laughing
बहुत
Okay.
है थोड़ा सा
तो निधि को लगा कि
Yeah.
यार वो तो क्रश था अभी वापस से सोच रही थी वो जोन में आ गई कि यार ये क्रश था और अभी वापस से ये तो वैसा ही हो रहा है जैसा कभी सोचा होगा
मुझे भी पसंद था मतलब हाँ
in her head it was like कहाँ पुनीत जे पाठक और कहाँ मैं वाला zone
Oh.
for her also to keep a reality check कि भाई I don't want to be just one of those girls who are hanging out with Puneet you know
Yeah. Yeah.
just
Okay.
because she has had her own and I knew that that's why I wanted to make sure कि पहले I give a proper क्या बोलते हैं उसको शादी से पहले एक इज्जत वाली दायरा क्या होता है गर्लफ्रेंड
Yeah. Yeah.
हाँ तो
Yeah.
that
Yeah. Huh.
the relationship needs to have a name so I
Yeah.
had to make sure that I had an approval from her before the world knows
Yeah.
so then we started dating people our close friends everyone started knowing and
Yeah.
yeah
So how long,
and
Puneet, did it take for you to actually, realize that this is the day, like that I'm going to now date her, and this is the day I'm going to marry her? Like this is the period.
so initially before खतरों के खिलाड़ी happened one of shows में किधर तो prop area में I actually said that listen I like you I said it because I felt it I said it
Hmm.
so she started laughing that time you laughed
that time I laughed and I went. I was like, he said he was sitting, I was standing, and he's like, I like you. I'm like, yeah, I like you too, yeah.
Oh my God, yeah. Yeah.
I like you then like what
Nidhi
because
was like, I like you, Puneet. I like you as a friend. So you are friend zone now.
हाँ मतलब friend zone की बात नहीं है
It was, I thought it was just one of अरे you're so cool, Nidhi, I really like you वाला.
Oh yeah, yeah. Bro code चल रहा है.
Also we have been in the same industry for so long.
Right.
And you kind of know him and about him, and we used to tease him a lot with a lot many girls.
Okay, okay.
So from him, I was like, "Hey, ऐसे कुछ भी."
So Puneet, honestly tell me कि कितना लड़कियों को डेट किया है निधि से पहले?
किया है काफी लड़कियों को
काफी निधि.
Yeah.
So do you know about all, निधि?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
but yeah and also it is she's made it very clear she said always maintain that past is done past is gone as far as it doesn't affect our present and for sure not future so she's sorted with that
Cool. Okay.
लड़की है
अच्छे लड़के.
Okay. So Nidhi, one thing I believe was most special about your bridal look, because of course I follow you, and वो जो आपका bridal दुपट्टा था जिसमें all the text had were there that Puneet had texted you in the past, उसमें से एक था that read love is when you feel home, so I want to know, when did you feel this was home, like he was home?
तो क्या है मैं बताता हूँ
हाँ.
I had written that message to her
All the messages are written by
yeah I have another set of messages from her side But
Okay.
मेरे तो पास दुपट्टा नहीं था ना. नहीं, but it was a very good surprise that I got off. And she's always into books. She's always into fairy tale. She's into बाहर से एकदम hey bro what's up tomboyish, पर अंदर एकदम soft सी girl next door who wants a boy. डिनर के लिए जाओगे तो चेयर बाजू में करके बिठा है.
To pamper
Like every
her.
second girl,
Yeah.
more than pamper, a love.
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 Yeah. Like,
मतलब प्यार.
Right.
वो forever and ever वाला प्यार होता है ना, books वाला.
Yeah.
So, so I call myself little creative. तो मैं creative रहता था. मेरे एक्शन में लिखता था, तो मुझे लिखने का अपने आप naturally आने लगा. And उसको पढ़ने का शौक है. तो I used to always, अभी क्या है ना, कुछ लड़कियां होती है, and I have always never been attracted to girls who are, sorry, no disrespect to anyone, but कि आज मेरा मैनिक्योर का अपॉइंटमेंट है, आज मुझे, मतलब मैं गलत नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, those I don't get attracted to those girls. So my focus was not कि मैं उसको कौन सा गिफ्ट दूं, क्योंकि it never attracted her. मैं सोचा था कैसे मैं 4 लाइन अच्छे लिखूं, because that attracted her. So I used to always look for lines of things that to write, and the line that you're talking about, love is when you feel at home, it just came naturally. And the best part about us is कब हाय हेलो से दोस्ती हुई, कब दोस्ती से लाइकिंग हुई, लाइकिंग से कब प्यार हुआ, और प्यार से कब शादी हुई, बहुत नेचुरली गया. And that's the best part, I feel.
Yeah. So निधि तो बोलती है कि सब कुछ बुक जैसा है, जैसा बुक का स्टोरीज होती है. Puneet, do you think everything about you is filmy? Because I genuinely feel that it's all filmy. Like it's like a nice romantic Bollywood film going on.
I am not at all romantic. I don't like all those things. Because of her, I have become all romantic and all that. But I had done a performance for her on the wedding day party
Yeah.
में, और मेरी इतनी हालत खराब थी, क्योंकि मैं एज अ थर्ड मैन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू सोचा था, बोले पुनीत तू कैसा लड़का था, क्या कर रहा है, और हंस रहा है, वही पुनीत मिरर में हंस रहा है उस पे. So I had to fight with myself and I had to do it. And then eventually I said, it's okay, yaar. People laugh at me, it's okay, but I'm doing it for her. And I know for sure that she's going to love it. Because all her life, she's been making these kind of moments for other people. कि स्टेज पे आते हैं, लाइट्स होता है, ग्राफिक्स होता है, एक बंदा नाच रहा है, एक बंदी, इन जनरल गाने बज रहे हैं उनके फेवरेट और सब. सो किसी और के लिए करते करते, there are so many times I've seen her, she's crying. She's like, oh yeah. So somewhere down there, she was always there कि काश मेरे को कोई करे, तो मैंने कर लिया.
So was it a surprise, Puneet?
Yeah. She had no idea.
I had no clue, because in my wildest एकदम कोई भी सपने में मैं नहीं सोचती थी कि he could do something like that in front of so many people, अकेले में भी, but he did that.
So Puneet, you have just set the benchmark by giving that performance, no? मतलब आप उसको
कुछ सोचता नहीं हूँ. हाँ, मतलब
I want to tell all the girls, do not settle for less. The guy has to do something like this.
Yeah, so congratulations again, you two, and you're just absolutely lovely. It was so nice having you in our Valentine's special week, and thank you so much.
Thank you. It was nice talking to you.
Bye. Thank you.